taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way. So I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling okay. I think I'm going crazy, don't think I'll get home safe. So I'm taking 6 shots all straight to the face. I'm taking 6 shots, are you coming with me? I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way. I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling okay.
Another video coming after this. Check this out. Why am I proud of this? Because I've already built one before. Coming to my recollection, I think if you type it in on YouTube, what's up, it's Mark, Dodge Ram 2500 or Cummins or 3rd gen or what have you, it's going to come up. It looks identical to this truck. We decided to do the same build on this truck, so here it is. Let's check it out. This is a 3rd generation 2003 Dodge Ram 2500 5.9 liter Cummins turbo diesel 4x4 long bed, 4-door babies. Boom! Absolutely beautiful, beautiful truck, top to bottom, inside and out. We reconditioned it and restored it as best as we could. Absolutely beautiful front end, aggressive. Oh, why do I love these 3rd gens? Because they're just classic looking. It's like, it doesn't feel that long ago. It feels like we were buying these brand new not too long ago. But anywho, blacked out, black housing headlights, brand new. Absolutely looks stellar. Cab lights, blacked out grill, factory grill with the Dodge emblem, still chrome. Brand new 20x10 Moto Metal 970 wheels wrapped around a 33 1250 20-inch Ridge Runner mud terrain tire. Brand new. Look at the nipples. Oh, you think you got nipples? Oh, look at you guys. These are some nipples right there. Awesome truck. And I'll show you what we did. So, brand new bed liner. Blacked out back bumper. We did all this. Brand new bed liner. It's kind of dirty. It's got a little scratch right there, a little dent right there. I'm gonna point out the cosmetic stuff in a minute, but I'm gonna get to the truck. I'm really excited about it. Beautiful stance. Look at how the tires line up. Absolutely perfect, perfect, perfect build right there. That's what you get when you got your ding dong who tries to wax your truck or some crap. You put brand new stuff right there and he burns through the friggin' paint. Good going, jackass. I'll see you on the flip side. We did this axle dump exhaust system. Brand, I just cut that off and put the exhaust on right there. Brand new axle dump. It looks killer when you're going down the road. It sounds amazing. Full exhaust with a muffler. We got it's a long bed. Let's go on the inside and check it out. It's locked. Let's unlock the door. Scope it out front. We're gonna pop the hood and show you guys what's going on. There we go. Well, actually, while we're at it, we'll jump on the interior. Power seats, a little rip right there, small little hole right there, whatever. Power windows, locks, brake force, electric trailer brake controller. Put the key in the ignition, I'm sitting on the keys. Put the keys in the ignition and show you guys what's up. Super clean on the inside. Dash is cracked like the famous cracked dash. They're famous for that now. 168, starts up perfect every single time. 168,884 maintained miles. Pressures are good. Sounds phenomenal. 4-wheel drive works great. Super, super clean. You got the key for the wheels right there. My water, cigarette lighter, separate console right there. Here's the key for the wheels right here with the stock number because I'm OCD as hell. Original owner's manual. All the records in right there. The fuel economy. No sunroof obviously, but it's a super nice truck. And we are running low on batteries, so I'm going to cut to the chase, show you guys the power plant, and we'll go from there. Back seat, what are we looking at? Boom, beautiful back seat, no stains, interior's in good shape, a little dent right there, but who cares? It's a friggin' 20-something-year-old truck, or more than that, who knows? But I love them, I absolutely love them. Pop the hood, show you guys what's going on. Aggressive truck. And they're fun to drive. They're super reliable. Why? Because there ain't nothing to it. None of this new crap that they cut your throat or choke you and plug up your butt so you can't run a marathon. 5.9 liter Cummins turbo diesel engine. Ain't nothing to it right there. K&N cold air intake system. Batteries are good. Radiators are good. And there you have it, guys. Hope you guys like this This is Mark signing out with the 2003 Ram 2500 Cummins turbo diesel. Super nice truck. Aggressive, aggressive, aggressive. Look at that. Oh, the Anthony gauge. Anthony, what's up, buddy? Haven't talked to you in a while. It's easy to talk on the video. I am 6 foot tall, right at 6 foot. So there you go. Watch this Dodge flip up mirrors. If you want to tow, there you go. Oh, look at this. Another spot my detailer missed. You son of a bitch. Boom. All right, there we go. All right, well, hope you guys like it. See you later. If you have any information or if you have any questions or need information about this truck, visit Superior Wholesale. I'll put the link in the description. Click the link that says 3rd Gen Cummins. Click that, and it'll be a drop-down menu of everything that's done to this truck and contact info. Visit superiorwholesale.org. Call 540-898-3025. Hope you guys like it. If you call up, say hi and reference Mark. Say, hey, I want to look at Mark's truck, the 3rd Gen Cummins they just built. Give us a ring. Scope it out. See you guys later. Peace out. See ya.
And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way. So I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling okay. I think I'm going crazy. Don't think I'll get home safe. So I'm taking 6 shots all straight to the face. I'm taking 6 shots, are you coming with me? I'm taking